North Pole, South Pole. Okay, hold on. Let's discuss this one by one. Yeah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Okay. The clues for geography. Number one, causes of wind pressure. Okay, causes of wind pressure gradient. You know what gradient means? Gradient, gradasi, gradient. Gradient artinya berlapis-lapis. Okay, yeah. Pressure gradients. Sini, over here, the air pressure over here is different. Yeah, as you rise to the air, as you rise higher, being higher means altitude. Okay, altitude. The higher you rise, it's called altitude. So the higher you rise, what becomes of the air pressure? What is the air pressure as you rise higher? Yeah? Air pressure.
Altitude higher you?
Altitude adalah ketinggian, altitude ya. Altitude, ketinggian. As you rise, or the higher you rise, what is the air pressure? Does it become smaller or does it become bigger? Huh? As you rise higher, the higher. Air pressure becomes? Yeah, smaller, yeah? It's like, imagine all this air around you is like water, okay? Water, okay? So if the higher you rise, then there's less water, yeah? The lower you are on the surface of the earth, there's more air above you, okay? So it's pushing, even air is pushing down, again? Air is pushing down. So there's also pressure underwater, yeah, kan? If you go, the lower you go down to the bottom of the sea, yeah, there will be, the higher the pressure is. So that's same goes with air pressure. The lower you are from all this is the atmosphere, yeah. The lowest position is on the surface of the earth, yeah, kan? Yeah. That's the lowest air pressure. Well, you can also somebody can dig a well, ya kan? Go down 100 kilometers, and they can take the air pressure will be lower at the bottom of the well, yeah. Okay. So we won't go on in details with that, yeah. But just understand the air pressure, yeah. What causes air pressure, and then what is the effect of air pressure? Pressure gradient, ya. Pressure. Okay. Ini secara horizontal, ini secara vertikal. Secara horizontal juga berbeda-beda from one place to another, ya kan? So if there's a difference, gradient means difference in air pressure. If there's difference in air pressure in one location with the other, and with the connection between these two locations, what will happen? Huh? What will happen? If there's a pressure gradient, yeah? Pressure gradient adalah means perbedaan air pressure between one place to two places, yeah? And then it connects. There's a connection, yeah? What happens?
The higher.
What will happen?
A place is higher air pressure, the air will
Yeah.
be lower.
Cause of wind. There will be wind. There will be movement, ya kan? Movement of air from high pressure, the place where there is high pressure, to a place where there is low pressure, ya kan? That's why that is the causes of wind, yeah? The cause of wind is pressure gradient. Pressure gradients means what? In another way to say it, pressure gradients artinya perbedaan tekanan udara, ya. Dan perbedaan tekanan udara bisa terjadi secara horizontal maupun vertikal, ya. Okay. So there's the cause of wind is Air pressure. The difference of air pressure or pressure, air pressure gradients. Again. Now the cause of difference of air pressure itu apa? What is the cause? What causes a place or on the surface of the earth to have high air pressure or lower air pressure? Tadi we explained. Okay, this is one. Altitude is one cause, one factor that determines a place to have high air pressure or low air pressure. Okay, what's the other? Huh? Gravity? No, gravity is connected to, is the same as the altitude, because the higher you are, right, the further you are from the earth. The earth has gravity, ya kan? So as you rise higher in space or in the atmosphere, you are going further away from the earth, whereby the earth has this gravitational force. What is the gravitational force? Daya tarik, dia menarik, ya. The closer you are to the middle of the earth, the higher the gravitational force. Gaya tarik itu semakin besar. That's why, yeah, same thing is altitude. So this is air pressure. Okay, what's the other thing that causes air pressure? Temperature, yes. The hotter it gets, then the lower the air pressure. Kenapa? The hotter it gets, the lower the air pressure. Think of air as if it's water, yeah? Imagine that the air is like water. Okay, now we have a bottle of water, yeah? Or a cup of water. We boil this water. What happens to the water? It gets heated. Yeah, it gets heated. And then what happens? It gets boiled. And then what happens after it gets boiled? It wants to. It evaporates. Yeah, kan? Basically, it wants to go up. Yeah, kan? So air is also like that. If the air is hotter, yeah, it wants to go up, meaning that it is lighter, yeah. If it wants to go down, it means what? It's heavier, yeah, kan? Yeah. So the colder the area, the temperature, kan? So number one, altitude. Number two, temperature. If the temperature is cold, the air wants to go down, meaning this is heavy. Yeah, the air is heavy. It wants to go down, again. And then if it's hot, the air wants to go up. It wants to rise. It means that it's lighter. Yeah. So now the air is moving from North Pole, the two poles, to the two poles. Yeah, north and south. It wants to go to the middle, which is the equator. Yeah, equator. And so we have also the Hadley cell. Look it up, Hadley cell. That's in PAS. The Hadley cell. Yeah, Hadley cell. There's a Hadley cell. The movement of air from the North Pole and the South Pole, and then it meets in the equator, and it goes up, and then it just keeps on moving around. Keeps. Huh? Hadley, Hadley, if I'm not mistaken. Look it up. There's that. Let me see a book. Subhanallah. Page 42. The Hadley cell. Right? Can you see the Hadley cell? There's 3 pictures over there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so it's moving. air is moving from the south and the north, meeting in the equator, and then it goes up, and then it goes, and then it moves out again to the south and north, and then it goes down, and just it keeps on doing that. Yeah, that's one theory of how the air moves. Yeah. Okay, so now we have altitude, we have temperature. What other factor causes air movement? I.e., in other words, wind. What causes wind? Okay, something that is bigger, on a bigger scale. Yeah. The rotation of the Earth. Yeah. Earth's rotation. Yeah. So, huh? What?
How the rotation of the Earth influencing wind?
If you drive a car, yeah, you're going in that direction. Where does the wind blow across your face? If you're riding a motorbike, okay, you can feel the wind going that way or going this way. Yeah, opposite to your direction, kan? Yeah. So if you're riding that way, then the wind goes the opposite direction from your the opposite of your movement. Again, now if the Earth also moves that direction, then the wind also moves that direction. Yeah. Okay. So this is another factor. Yeah, on a larger scale, which is the rotation of the Earth. Again, the rotation of the Earth. So that is when you see a lot of wind moving to the direction of the. What is it? South or east? At the equator, yeah? South to east. Oh no. Yeah. Is it west or east?
Move from the east to the west.
Yeah. It moves to the south, again. Yeah, it moves to the south. No, I'm sorry. It moves to the west. Yeah, because the Earth is moving to the direction of the east. Yeah, but this is also just a general rule, okay? So it's not always like that, yeah? Because now we also have the monsoon winds, yeah? Monsoon, yeah? The monsoon. This is more affected by, or it's more caused by the seasons in Australia and in Asia, yeah. Yeah. So there's a difference of temperature between these two areas, and then Indonesia happens to be in the middle of these. Yeah. So the monsoon, the west monsoon and east monsoon. Yeah. Okay. Try to review that. Yeah. West and east monsoon. That's definitely going to be in the PAS. And then also, so there's global wind patterns, and then there's a smaller scale, which is the monsoon, yeah, the west and east monsoon, and then there's also a smaller scale, which is the breeze, yeah, the legal, yeah, the day breeze and night breeze, yeah. Okay, this is also determined by the temperature. Again, the temperature in the water during the night. What is the temperature of the air above the sea during night and during day? Yeah, what is the temperature of land during night and during sea? And that's what causes the night and day breeze. Yeah. 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 Day breeze is from during the day. Okay? It's called day breeze because it's during the day. It's called night breeze because it's during the night. Now the question is, what direction does the air blow during the day breeze? Again, just try to.
From the high pressure to low pressure.
Yeah, intinya begitu. Basically from high pressure now. Try to understand. If you understand this. Which area has a high pressure and low pressure? Yeah. Starting from the causes of wind. Yeah. causes of wind. Yeah, temperature. Understand the temperature. Which one is hotter? Yeah. Which one is hotter, land or sea? During the day, land is hotter. Yeah, kan? During the day, land is hotter. During the day, yeah. During the night, the air above the sea is hotter than the land. Yeah, again. Why? Why is it cooler during the day? At the air above the sea. Why is it cooler? Because the water, yeah, absorbs all the heat. Yeah, it absorbs it during the day. Yeah, and then it releases it during the night. Again. Yeah, disrupt, absorbs it, and it keeps it, and then it releases it.
Yang dari Australia ke Indonesia itu kan apa? Monsun apa?
Angin muson.
Nggak tahu.
Iya, angin muson.
Monsun mana? Yang dari yang panas kan? Namanya apa?
Yang dari mana?
Yang dari Australia atau yang dari
Australia, ya.
Dari gurun kan?
Ya, gurun. Ya.
Berarti yang akhir-akhir tahun itu dari
We are now in which one? Which we are what musim? What
from China kan west.
Yeah.
West monsoon.
Yeah, it's the west monsoon, yeah.
And the beginning of the year
It's from October to
April.
April, yeah. October to April, April to October. We only have two seasons over here. We don't have summer. We don't have the 4 seasons like other countries, yeah. We only have the wet season and the dry season. Right now we are in the wet season, yeah. It's the east monsoon. No, sorry. We are now at the west monsoon. Okay. We are now in the west monsoon. Yeah. Yeah.
So the wind is from China, right?
Huh?
The wind is from Asia.
Yeah.
June was from the
So it's this word west. Okay, don't try to mix it up with Australia is west. Yeah, western country. No.
No. Australia is just
The wind is from the west. Okay, the west monsoon. It's not. No, it's not. It's blowing to the eastern direction. Yeah, but we call it the west monsoon because it's coming from.
the west.
It's coming from. Okay,
Yeah.
and then the east monsoon is coming from east. Even though Australia is a western country, yeah, culturally is a western country. No, it's coming from the
East.
yeah east. Yeah, sometimes we get this mixed up.
Geographical.
Indonesia itu west of east. East.
What?
East.
Indonesia?
East.
Culturally, too, we are an eastern country. Yeah, eastern country.
Tapi kalau geografi
Huh?
Iya, Eastern juga. Kita kan pojok.
east.
Yeah.
Kita pojok.
Kenapa Maghrib disebut Maghrib? Maroko. Al-Maghrib. You know what Maghrib is?
Maroko.
What does Maghrib mean? Maghrib. Salatul Maghrib. Salat Maghrib, yeah. Because Maghrib artinya west. Jadi ada istilah Indonesia terbentang dari Sabang sampai Merauke kan. Sabang itu di ujung Indonesia west, Merauke di ujung Indonesia east. Oke. Sekarang kita bisa mengatakan Islam terbentang dari Maghrib to Merauke. ujung west itu adalah Maghrib. Al-Maghrib, Morocco. All the way to Morocco. From Maghrib to Morocco. Islam expanded from Maghrib to Morocco. Maghrib artinya barat. Yeah, it means barat. Huh? Okay. The Hadley cell, it's spelled Hadley. Yeah. Cell, sebut cell karena it's the movement of air is just moving around like that, the circulation in a circular way.
Three cell. Oh. Oh ini yang di sini. Tiga yang the three wind models ini berapa?
Yeah, the three wind models. The three wind models.
Then these three.
Yes. Yes. And then types of precipitation.
Rain.
Yeah.
Snow, hail.
Yeah. All that. Yeah. Hail, snow, fog, sleet. Yeah, understand all that. What's the difference between all that? Yeah. Yes, I think three questions. Three questions about the different forms of precipitation. Okay, the different forms of rain. It's rain is a different thing, sir. There's three rains. Yeah. There's convectional, there's frontal, and there's orographic. Okay, write that down. Look it up and yeah, frontal, convectional, and orographic. Okay, now we move to the ozone layer. Yeah, the greenhouse gas effect. Huh? Yes, of course. We discussed a lot about that.
Saya pertanyaannya gimana? Saya pertanyaannya gimana?
Esainya. Okay, esainya there will be about fog. Yeah, the different types of fog. Yeah. The different types of fog, and also study rain deforestation. Yeah, deforestation. Why is it such a catastrophic event? Yeah, where is it happening? Yeah, where is it happening? Where is it happening? Where is the rainforest deforestation happening? Places where there's only rainforest, and it's a very limited places. Not everybody. Yeah. Indonesia. Where else? Brazil. Yeah, the Amazon rainforest, the Indonesian rainforest, and then there's another one. There's a Congo rainforest. So basically, these are the only three places. Congo. Yeah, Brazil, Congo, Brazil, and Indonesia. Yeah. Yeah. Congo is in Africa, Brazil in South America, and then Indonesia. Huh? Congo is the country. Republic Democratic Congo. Yeah. Republic RDC. It's called RDC. And then why? About the greenhouse gas effect. What is the greenhouse gas effect? Okay, write that down. What is the greenhouse gases? What is the greenhouse gases? And then there is also. Yeah. Yeah, for carbon dioxide. Yeah. Carbon fluoro dioxide.
The CFC, carbon dioxide, and methane.
Yeah. Ozone, water vapor. These are all considered as the greenhouse gases.
Ozone?
Huh? Yeah, ozone as well. Look it up. Look it up in your book. Yeah, ozone is also a gas. Yeah, in the atmosphere, the ozone layer is a gas.
Ozone and? Ozone what?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide, CFC, ozone.
Methane.
And?
Water vapor.
Water vapor.
Ozone.
What's water vapor?
Review again the ozone layer. Yeah, what was causing the ozone layer to the depletion of ozone layer, and then what is causing the global heat, right? What's causing global warming? Sorry. And then deforestation in Indonesia. What is the main cause? And then what is? Yeah, basically that's all. Deforestation. We didn't discuss the urban heat island. Carbon dioxide, yeah. There's what is the level of carbon dioxide now? 415 ppm parts per million, is it? Yeah, 415. They say that if it reaches 470, itu sudah point of no return, sudah tidak bisa dibantu lagi, nggak bisa dikurangi lagi, ya. It's prepare for the worst. You see, we say sadaqallah. So what does sadaqallah mean? Huh? What does sadaqallah mean? Sadaqallah azim. Huh? What? Sadaqallah azim means Allah has spoken the truth. Sadaqah. Because if we listen to the ayah, the Quranic ayah, we say Sadaqallah azim. Allah has revealed the truth to us. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, ظهر الفساد في البر والبحر بما كسبت أيدي الناس. Destruction is everywhere, yeah? Is already everywhere because of what? Because of the doings of mankind, yeah? The doings of men did this. All this destruction on earth is because of whose fault? Man-made, yeah, man-made. So there's natural disasters and there's man-made disasters. Again, and what's the word for a man-made disaster? Kekuatan. Anthropomorphic forces. Anthropomorphic. So like carbon dioxide, yeah. From the anthropomorphic. Write that down. That's in PIS. Anthropomorphic. It's man-made. Yeah, caused by man. Anthropomorphic. So since the dawn of civilization, yeah, since the start of history, carbon dioxide has been there has always been a carbon cycle, ya kan? Carbon dioxide is not a new thing, ya kan? Carbon dioxide is not a new thing in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide released in the atmosphere is not a new thing. Betul? From the start of history, yeah, animals have been breathing, ya kan? Men have been breathing. This is carbon dioxide and it's released into the air, ya kan? But there's also carbon sinking, yeah, by the trees, yeah. But what is causing global warming is anthropomorphic forces. Anthropomorphic forces, kekuatan, yeah, forces. Anthropomorphic, which is another way to say man-made, yeah, yeah. What? Yeah, man-made. So the release of carbon dioxide in a large scale, yeah, catastrophic scale, yeah. It's a large scale which will cause catastrophe, which has catastrophic effects. It's because it's released in such a large scale. Why? Because men are the civilization of men are digging up all these fossil fuel from the, and it started all in the Industrial Revolution, yeah. So understand again the double blow of deforestation in Indonesia? Why is it called the double blow? In your book it says the double blow. Yeah, double blow. Why is it a double blow? Huh? Double blow.
Oh, because when you cut trees,
Yeah.
You cut trees, so it's, nothing can like absorb your carbon dioxide.
Okay, that's one.
And
That's the first blow.
and trees,
Yeah.
I think in their roots or
The soil.
the soil,
Yeah.
the
Not the
trees
yeah.
keep CO2, so when you cut it, the CO2
Yeah.
is
Yeah. So the CO2 is released. Yeah.
released to the air.
That soil. What is that soil called? Under the rainforest. 10 meters maybe under the rainforest. What is it called? What kind of soil is it? That soil acts as a carbon sequestration. Is it called? Sequestration is like I don't know. Yeah, carbon. It keeps the carbon. It
Yeah, it keeps the carbon inside the soil.
yeah. It keeps the carbon inside the soil.
When you cut trees down,
Yes. It's called peatland. Yeah, peatland.
even
Peatland. Peatland.
land.
Yeah, that. Yeah. Land. Yeah, land. Yeah, peatland. Yeah, it's called peatland. So that's the double blow. The first blow is the trees. The trees act as a carbon sequestration or carbon sinking. They catch the carbon in the air and then they change it through photosynthesis, create oxygen. But that's not all. Yeah, the trees are not the only thing in that is in all this deforestation in the forest. Yeah? It's not only a tree, but the rainforest consists of the trees and the soil under the trees, which is the peatland. Yeah, they say it stores carbon 8 times more than the trees itself. The peatland stores 8 times more than the trees itself. Yeah, so it acts as a carbon storage. Yeah, they call it carbon storage. It stores the carbon. Yeah. What else? Okay, we're done with this. Yeah, that's all. All out of there, just explain. Yeah. The ozone layer depletion. Remember how did we, or all the scientists or the global community, how did they overcome the ozone layer depletion? It was a problem. It was a problem in the 1980s, 1990s. Yeah. How did we overcome this problem? Again, how did it's no longer a problem. This, huh? Yeah, that's one of the essays. How did we overcome the ozone depletion? Depletion, yeah? It's no longer a problem. What remains the problem is the global warming, the carbon dioxide being released into the air. Depletion, DEPLETION. Okay, so let's just close our session. Yeah, it's gonna adhan. That's all, yeah? Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin, subhanaka wa bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.